Welcome aboard. Let's get building with BuilderBUILDER Pro. From the dashboard, tap your project. Here, Lead Sanctuary. In the project menu, tap Change Order. Tap Submit New to start creating a change order. Here are the approved phases with their line items. Select the line item you want to change, then tap Submit New. Fill in all required details. Enter the subject. Optionally, set priority to normal or urgent. Next, modify the line items. Add new ones, update existing, or delete them. Let's add a new line item. Tap the plus icon, fill in the required fields, line item name, unit quantity, unit price, and client cost. Then tap Add. Notice that the new line item inspection shows to be added with a CO tag, meaning it will only be added once the change order is approved. If I delete a line item like materials purchasing, its status changes to be deleted with the CO tag. And when I update an existing line item, the status changes to be updated, also with the CO tag. Tap Submit. The change order is now requested, and the line item shows Change Order Requested. It can't be requested again until approved or declined. Members with change order approval permission receive a notification. Since I'm an admin, I have it too. Let's check. Here's the request. Let's approve it. In the Approved tab, you'll see the approved change order. The line item it was submitted against is now updated. And that's it.